12V Deep Well Submersible Pump Solar DC 250W Electric Power 12V Deep Well Submersible Pump Solar DC 250W Electric Powered Water Pump Kits with 1 outlet, Screw Pump Max, 950 Lift, 396 GPH Flow for Irrigation Agricultural Garden Home. 1. Parameters: Gene Series Solar Water Pump 12V DC, 1-inch outlet, 32.8-foot extension cable, maximum head 98 feet, 396 GPH flow rate, working current 9A. 2. Solar energy or battery. DC water pumps can use both solar energy and batteries. If connecting a circuit breaker, it is recommended that the current should not be less than 11A. Using clean energy has a high energy conversion rate and low energy consumption. 10W Solar Water Fountain Pump, solar-powered water pump with 120 GPH fountain pump, 4 sprayers, 16.4 FT cable, 6.6 FT tubing for outdoor pond, bird bath, fish tank, and garden water features. Patio, lawn and garden outdoor decor. 70W Solar Water Pump with Pond Waterfall Kit, 304 Stainless Steel Pond Waterfall Spillway, Pond Spillway with 9.8 FT corrugated tubing for garden water features P5703. High quality 304 Stainless Steel Pond Waterfall Spillway, 70W Efficient Solar Panel and Fountain Pump. Pump 500W DC 48V Solar Water Pumps, max head 393 7.9 GPM, flow 3-inch Solar Deep Well Submersible Pumps with MPPT controller float switch kits for home or farm. Specification: Genin Series Solar Water Pump 48V DC 3-inch dia 9.aft extension cable, max head 120 meter 183 RH flow, PV open circuit voltage 42-100V, with MPPT controller for farm, garden, home, pool, industrial, intelligent water shortage sensors. This solar water pump has an intelligent water shortage sensor, so it has an intelligent water shortage protection function. When there is no water in the well, the pump will automatically stop working. Biling Solar Fountain for Bird Bath, Solar Panel Kit, Outdoor Solar Water Pump with 4-aft tubing for hummingbird bath, small pond, and fish tank. Solar Bird Bath Fountain Kit. The fountain pump is solar-powered, can be used almost anywhere at home, backyard, garden, patio, pool, etc., as long as there is enough sun. The most important, this will attract many birds to your garden, providing them with a cold drink or a quick soak. Reliable Solar Panel Kit. Our solar-powered fountain adopts a 100% glass solar panels with stronger light transmittance. The solar panel will not oxidize even if used outdoors for a long time. It can steadily absorb the sun's energy and make the water spray more stable and lasting. Izadin DIY Solar Water Pump Kit for Water, feature outdoor with 6 nozzles. 2026 Solar Fountain Pump, solar-powered water fountain for bird bath, ponds, garden, fish tank. Solar Water Pump for Bird Bath, Solar Water Fountain for Bird Bath. Solar Fountain Pump. 6W Outdoor. Solar Water. Fountain Pump for Bird Bath with 4FT tubing and 5 nozzles. DIY solar-powered water pump for garden, ponds, pool, and fish tank. Patio, lawn and garden outdoor decor. Biling 8W Solar Pond Aerator with 4400 mm battery backup for fish pond. Solar aerator with dual air pumps, 2 air outlets, 3 working modes, 24-hour operation for outdoor small pond fish tank. Large solar aerator, 8W SLAR-powered pond aerator with 2 built-in air pumps and battery backup, which can provide more oxygen to the pond built-in battery. During the day, the solar panels will provide energy to the air pump and charge the battery. With 4,400 battery, the pond aerator continues to work after the sun goes down, up to 72 hours on full charge. Vivor Deep Well Submersible Pump, 1 HP 115V 60 Hz, 37 GPM flow, 207 FT head with 33 FT electric cord, 4 stainless steel water pump for industrial, irrigation and home use, IP68 waterproof grade. Tools and home improvement, water pumps, parts and accessories. Eco-worthy 110V AC fresh transfer, diaphragm, water pump on demand, 5.5 GPM, 70 PSI high-pressure water booster pump, 110-volt, with pressure switch for irrigation garden hose, sprinkler home RV, diaphragm pump. Specifications: 110 V AC water pump features 5.5 gallons per minute water flow. The pressure switch is set to 70 PSI, self-priming up to 9.8 vertical feet, lift up to 131 feet, 1.6 max amps. Excellent performance in all aspects. Upgraded pressure switch. It lasts longer. For any pressure switch problems, we will provide all effective after-sales service. Water supply when the faucet is opened and power off when the faucet is closed, 70 psi. Pressure enough for daily use. It also can adjust according to your needs. Check the links in the description to find the best deal. Thanks for watching.